This right here is the Milwaukee M18 F2BL, a twin 18 volt fuel brushless blower. Perfect for a garden tidy up if you are getting out in the garden, or if you're a landscaper and you need to clear some debris, then this is going to be more than capable of getting the job done. Like I said, this takes not one but two Milwaukee M18 batteries. Milwaukee, like they do with all of their garden tools, or the majority of their garden tools, is that it's ideal to pair this up with their high output batteries, and the power that you get out of this thing is absolutely ridiculous, giving you a maximum airflow here of up to 233 kilometers an hour. I mean, you hold it to the floor, it's like a plane is going to take off. The amount of power that you're getting out of this is really, really impressive, and a lot of that is thanks to that fuel technology. Of course, a brushless power state motor and that REDLINK technology, which allows the batteries to communicate with the tool, preventing overloading and overheating. Obviously, when you're generating this much power, it is key to, have as much control over the device as you can get. So you've actually got a secondary handle on the bottom, which might make it easier for some users to use the tool. You've also got nice flexibility in terms of how you use the device as well. You've got a variable speed trigger here, but also if you want to maintain a constant power, you've actually got a nice slider on top as well, which will lock the power into your desired place. You can get the main nozzle on the end, and there's also a wider nozzle if you need to channel the airflow a bit more directly. So you are getting nice flexibility with this tool, but the focus here is absolutely on the power that you can get out of this thing. This is the Milwaukee M18 F2BL twin 18 volt fuel brushless blower, and you can get it now at its.co.uk in the Milwaukee Superstore. That is your home of everything Milwaukee.